Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact pins you need to connect and why each matters. Use the board label and schematic. Once done, mark VCC, GND, and data pins with a fine marker. You should test continuity with a multimeter so you know you're on the correct traces and ensure your power supply matches the board's rated voltage and current. Make sure to ground yourself or use an anti-static strap to avoid damaging components as you proceed. Once pins are identified, prepare your wires. Strip, tin, and route them to minimize stress on the board. If soldering, heat the joint briefly and feed solder until it flows cleanly. Let it cool undisturbed. If using connectors, crimp firmly and test pull strength. Make sure you keep signal lines separated from noisy power lines and route ground return paths cleanly to reduce interference. Finally, double-check polarity and pin orientation before applying power. You now power up cautiously, preferably with a current-limited supply to catch faults early. Once powered, measure VCC and ground at the board pins and confirm expected levels. Run a minimal functional test that exercises the connected interface, watching LEDs, status pins, or serial output. If something fails, immediately remove power, recheck pin mapping and solder joints, and swap in a known good cable. If intermittent, look for cold joints or loose crimp connections as the likely culprits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.